Hello YouTube, this is Lewis from JNL Tutorials, and today it will be not so easy but not so hard, just a basic tutorial on how to make a simple web browser in Visual Basics. So what you need to do is go to firstly open up Visual Basics and do a new project. Make sure it's a Windows Form application and name it I don't know, whatever, like Internet Explorer, but it obviously isn't. I could spell that wrong. Fuck my life. And then once it loads up, like I said, this isn't too hard. All it is just like a couple of buttons on a web browser. It's quite simple, to be honest, but once it loads, you want to drag it bigger, or how big as you want it, because if it's a web browser then you usually want it quite big, but it's just up to you. I won't make mine too big because this is just a tutorial, and then you can rename it. I won't bother. But basically you want to add look down your list until you find web browser, which is under common controls, and you just click it in there, and then it will load up, and then you want to click the little arrow and unlock, so you can drag it as big as small as you want. So I'll just drag it all the way across, all the way to the bottom, but leave some at the top, so you could add one button that will say navigate, and then next to the button you want to add just a simple text box, align it or whatever, make it a little bit bigger. And it really depends on what you want, because you can have a back button, forward button, a refresh button, a home button if you wish, but yeah. So basically you're going to go double click navigate and do web browser 1 dot navigate, and then you want to put in the brackets text box 1 dot text. So that will simply, you'll follow the link in the text box, and button 2, if you want that to be back, just rename it to back, double click it and do web browser 1 dot back, go back. It's simple as that. If you want that to be forward, you do web browser 1 dot go forward. And say you want button 4 to be refresh, you simply change this name, and then web browser 1 dot refresh. And for the home, this isn't too confusing, but if you want home to be, say, Google, you would change this. You just do web browser 1 dot navigate, and you put in speech marks www.google.com, close speech marks, close brackets, and that's it. And you just want, if you could just move the buttons around to make it look better, or whatever you wish. I'm not very good at design, and we can test this right now to see if it's working. Touch wood, it should work. So just navigate to Google and click navigate. Don't worry about that, that won't pop up. And there you go, it's gone to Google. And if we wanna, let's say we go to Facebook, and you click navigate, Facebook will load up, and if you click back, you can see it goes back to Google. Forward, you can see it goes back to Facebook. Refresh, you can see it refreshes Facebook, and home, you see it back to Google. Thanks for watching. This has been a tutorial by Lewis from JNL Tutorials. Bye.